Hello, friends, or audience members who may yet become friends. I am here today to provide what I think is the first public documentation of the dialogue sample used in Roux' new single, Cabin Fever. This is Peloton instructor Jenn Sherman, and she's going to say some words for us.
Raise your hand if you've never heard that phone number until now. Be honest. Be honest. Anybody? Because if there was a single one of you that don't know that phone number, you get the f*** out. You don't belong here. Everyone's invited, but you don't belong here.
In the song Cabin Fever, we have our first at 24 seconds.
Raise your hand. Be honest. Be honest.
Our next at 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Again, raise your hand, be honest, be honest.
Raise your hand. Be honest. Be honest.
Again at 3 minutes and 3, just be honest this time.
Be honest. Be honest.
At 3:12, everyone's invited.
Everyone's invited, but you don't belong here.
And then finally at 3:25, GTFO.
You get the f*** out.
This is a delightful song. Elly Jackson did a great job. Production is fantastic. Love the choice of sample. It's weird, it's quirky. It embodies lesbian angst. I love it. And if you want to hear more interesting factoids like this, smash that subscribe button. I'm begging you.